All right, so the last session was in December the 8th. It's been like 15 days or so. So our course now, the access to our course is free. The first chapter is free. So you are welcome to check it out. Yeah, this is the last session. I don't know why it's not rendering. As I was saying, guys, I know a few of you have been wondering why I haven't been trading binary options much lately. So let me just open a long position first. So let's go up. And yeah, as I was saying, it's mainly we had to take some time off because we had to make some tweaks to the strategy. The market's been acting a bit different. I mean, a lot of news coming out, and then honestly, I'm not a fan of trading during times like that. So, I prefer sticking to technical analysis and price actions over diving into fundamental analysis. Great. First win. So $430. Yeah, this one. $430. By the way, the link to our course is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to learnthestrategy.com/free. Let's open short position. So learnthestrategy.com/free, or you can visit the link in the description of this video so you can access the course for free. And if you like it and you want to access the next chapters, you can purchase it. Otherwise, no worries. So as I was saying, technical analysis just is like works better for binary options. It's all about finding those precise entry and exit points. Beautiful. Yeah. I guess now we will go up back. I believe that the market, yeah, the market will try to go up. So with $500, let's go up and hope that our decision is right. So as I was saying, using technical analysis is precise for entry and exit points, and price actions also gives you such clean setups when you are patient. Plus, with the fast pace of binary options, relying on news or fundamentals can get overwhelming and messy real quick. Anyway, we've been adjusting things to align with the market's behavior, and I'm excited to get back into it soon with even sharper setups. Great. Amazing. I believe that we will have to go up again. Yeah, even if the market is not creating a long uptrend, but we will have to go up back again. So as you can see, guys, I'm using four indicators: MACD, parabolic saw, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. These are uh, the main indicators that I use on my strategy. Also, I use a lot of chart patterns. Those who have access to my course already know that I use a lot of chart patterns. And yeah, so guys, my strategy is basically a technical analysis strategy. All right. And I mean, developing a trading strategy based on technical analysis. Great. I guess now we will see some red. Yeah, as expected. I mean, the same. So let's go down. We will start to see some red. Great. So as I was saying, guys, developing a trading strategy based on technical analysis and price actions can often be better than fundamental analysis. I, there's plenty of reasons, especially depending on your trading styles and when you are trading binary options. So, for example, clarity and precision. Technical analysis focuses on charts, patterns, chart patterns, historical price movement, making it easier to pinpoint precise entry and exit points. With fundamental analysis, it's hard. You can understand the market, you can understand the behavior of the market with fundamental analysis, but it will hard to generate signals and generate exit and entry points. Yeah, yeah, we will go down again. Yeah, I'm sure about this one. We will go down again. So with $500, let's go down. So as I was saying, and also with price actions, like like I trade with technical analysis and price actions, and with price actions, you can quickly react to what the markets is doing right now, rather than trying to enter interpret the long-term impact of news or reports. Yeah, also the timeliness with technical analysis. Fundamental, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. The market will keep going down or will keep creating some red. In this case, it's not really a red. This one, I'm not sure that. So let's go down because I don't believe that this candle will be higher or bigger. This green candle will be bigger than this size. I believe that it's going down. At least I'm winning with a green candle. I'm winning a short position with a green candle. That's why the timing is important when it comes to trading binary options. I'm trading, I'm tricking the candles, right? I know when to enter, and I can win short position with a green candle, and I can win a long position with a red candle. As I was saying, yes, as I was saying, it's a win. But I thought that the market would create a red candle, but no, it didn't create a red candle. This means that there's a potential uptrend, and I and now it started becoming less predictable. Yeah. Last seconds. Yeah, the market created short positions. Now it's going up. I believe it's going up. I believe that will be the last trade. Yeah, I guess that. Yeah, I want to understand, guys, that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. Um, I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here in any ways. I'm not saying that it's easy or you will be, a millionaire or make money with binary options. It's risky. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. This is not a get rich quick scheme. So, um, yeah, in the course, I'm teaching you all the things that I know about binary options trading and crypto trading. I will share with you all my strategies, all the techniques that I use, the methods. Everything is explained in the course. So the first chapter is for free. You can access this first chapter for free. You don't need your email account, credit card information, nothing. Just go there and yeah, access it. So learnthestrategy.com/free. All right. I guess that my prediction was right. The market started creating a long, or at least it looks like a long uptrend, but I don't believe that I can keep trading. So see you later, guys. And I hope that you enjoyed. Yeah, this last one.